Maximize protection and reduce the chance of damage with these packing tips. How should I pack a box? Here are our steps for DIY packing like a pro. Step 1. Prepare your box before packing. Tape and secure all edges. Step 2. Cushion the bottom of your box with linen or crushed paper before packing fragile items. Step 3. Wrap fragile items in several layers of paper or bubble wrap and pack firmly into box. Newsprint will leave marks, so don't use. Step 4. Once wrapped, place all glassware, crockery, crystal and china standing up for maximum strength. Step 5. Try to avoid mixing up the content of your box too much and label clearly. It makes unpacking much easier the other end. If you're moving overseas, you will also need to write a brief list of the contents, along with the room the box belongs in. Step 6. Don't overload your boxes. Pack the heavy items at the bottom and the lighter items at the top. Step 7. Pack items with plenty of padding between them to avoid damage during your move. Step 8. Leave room at the top of the box for a final layer of cushioning before closing and sealing. Step 9. Wrap pictures and mirrors in bubble wrap or linen to protect them. Collapse a box and create a cardboard sleeve big enough to hold. Enclose and label clearly with fragile item and what's inside. Step 10. Secure all sharp objects. We don't want anything dangerous protruding out of boxes. And finally, tape up and secure all open edges once your boxes are full. Make sure you have clearly labelled what's in the box and where it belongs. Conroy Removals has DIY packing all boxed up. Head here for more tips.